Okay, so now we're going to make the second part of the video using the numbers, and we're going to basically lay them out on a grid, and then we're going to do each group 2 by 2 calculation. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to just close my eyes and say a number forwards and backwards to prove that I'm not looking at something. How can I be looking at the screen while looking up in my brain sometimes? So close my eyes and we'll do a number backwards. Okay, you have it written down, you can see it, and the number is going to be 9123667 and we're looking at 2479 and 1228 and 7686 9155 8996 5241 3261 and 8167. And going forward now, it's the buster pass. We got 7618 1623 1425 6998 5591 6867 8221 7942 4766 and 2, or sorry, at 3 2 and 18 or 19. Yeah, okay, very good, good enough. Okay, so let's move on. We're going to do 2 by 2 calculations, and we're going to just take one group of 2, add to the next group of 2, and we'll do this mentally. Okay, again, you can write this down, but the ultimate practice is doing it all in your mind. So you got these 40 numbers laid out. You're going to just take groups of 2 by 2, 4 at a time. Let's start with the first group, which is 76 times 18. Okay, starting from the left side, 7 times 1 is 7. Hold 7 in your mind, and then your groups are going to be 1 times 6 is 6. 7 times 8 is 56. So that's going to be 62. Add the 6 to the 7, 132, and then you've got 48. So 1368 is the first number. Moving on, second one is 16 times 23. So we're going to start with the simple 1 times 2 is 2. Okay, and then we're going to look at 3 and 12, 3 to 15. Okay, add the 1 to 2 is going to be 35. Okay, 35, and then you got an 18 coming up, so it's going to be 3, 6, 8. Okay, because of 6 times 3 is 18. Okay, good answer. Okay, next one we're going to do is 14 times 25. Okay, so this time you're going to start. We're going to do something different this time. We're going to look at 25 as being a 4 because the quarter. Okay, and so just divide that into 14. So 4 goes into 14 3 times, right? 4, 8, 12, 3 times. 2 left over. 2 times 25 is 50. So it's going to be 350. Easy and fast. Okay, moving on. This one, we're going to use another math shortcut. We've got 69 times 98. Well, 98 is 2 less than 100. So we're going to take away 2 from 69. So it's going to be 67. Just write it down. Think about it, 67. And then the difference between 69 and 100 is 31 times 2. Double that. So our answer is going to be 6762. All right, very good. Next one is going to basically the same thing. It's going to happen again. You've got 55 and 91. So let's first get our number on the outside. 5 times 9 is 45. but you got a 9 and the 1 is 10. 10 times 5 is 50. So 45 and 5 is 50 with a 0. So it's going to be 500, and then 5 times 1 is 5. Answer is going to be 5005. Okay. Next one, going down to 68 times 67. Again, if you take the numbers and put the 68 and 67, you got 6 times 6 is 36. So 6 times 6 is 36. Put down 36 in your mind as your first part of your number, and then you notice that you've got a 6 times 8 is 48, and 6 times 7 is 42. Okay, that's going to make 90. So you just add the 9 to the 36, which is going to be 45, and then you go 8 times 7 is 56. So 4556 is the answer to that one. Next one is 82 times 21. Okay, again, you've got an 8 and a 2 is 16. Put a 16 down as the first part. Okay, you can see here you've got an 8, which is 8 times 1 is 8, and then 2 to 2 is 4. So 8 and 4 is 12. So you had a 16. So now you got 172, and then you've got 2. So 1722. Okay, I hope I'm not going too fast. Okay, the next one is 79 times 42. All right. So again, 7 times 4 is going to be 28. Okay. Now you've got a 7 times 2 is 7 times 2 is 14, and 9 times 4 is 36. Okay, so 36 and 14 would be 50. All right. So you start off with 28. 28 and 5 is 33. So 33, and there's a 0 there, and then your last part is going to be 9 times 2 is 18. So it's 3318 is the answer to 79 times 42. Okay. Next one is going to be 47 and 66. Again, you've got the 6's, and you've got the 7 and the 4, which is 11. So 11 times 6 is 66. So let's get our first number that we added to. So you've got 24. Okay. So because 4 times 6 is 24, and we got 66. So 24 and 6 is going to be 30, because 30, and then you got a 6. Okay, 306, and then the last part of that would be 7 times 6 is 42. So if we had 306 and 4 would be 350, right? And then we've got 2. That's the answer to that one. And the last one is 32 times 19, and it's very simple to do. You've got your 32 times 19, so you got a 3. 3 times 1 is 3. Then we do our outside, which is going to be 27. 3 times 9 is 27, and 2 times 1 is 2. Okay, so 27, 2 is 29. Okay, so now we've got 59, because we had a 3, and then we got a 29, so we got 59. 59, and then the last number is going to be 2 times 9 is 18. Okay, so which is a 1. So 59 plus 1 is 60, and so it's going to be 608, and we're done. Okay, so that was a lot of fun. You can practice that, and the more you do it, the better it becomes. It's very quick, very easy, but it's just a way of manipulating things. And what are the secrets, of course, is that I knew where I placed each number, I knew what the numbers represented, so I wouldn't forget them, and then I just knew how to break them down using the natural steps or using a few clever math shortcuts. Okay, so please practice. That's why I always say watch the video more than once, write it all out at first, then try to practice it. But your goal should be to be able to do this instantaneously in your mind. So when you see a number, you just break it down. Okay, so thank you for watching this. Please like and share and subscribe if you haven't done so, and watch it more than once, and let me see your progress. Make a video of yourself doing this, because it's a great skill. It's good for your mind. I mean, I'll be 60 years old in a few years, and I still got a very sharp mind because I'm always using my mental capabilities to keep my mind strong. Okay? Thank you again. This is John Morrison from Life Academy. Have a great day.